I've got a remote control car out there. It's got a Raspberry Pi on top, a battery, and it's streaming a USB webcam feed to me here over VideoSoft. And what we can see is we're running this at very low frame rate and very low resolution, 256 by 144 at 4 frames a second. What I wanted to show you is a couple of things. First of all, even at this resolution and this frame rate, which is terrible for driving it with, we still can get useful information from the stream, because VideoSoft does this thing where we can tell it we're interested in a particular area, and we can then see that at high resolution on demand. So I can read the number plate of the van here, even when my native resolution of the camera is very low and I wouldn't be able to otherwise. But we still got the problem here where with this controller, if I try and move the vehicle around, I've really got no easy way to control that in real time, because we're only at 4 frames a second. However, if you had another view, and of course I do, in this case, I've got a view from a drone that's flying above, and the drone is connected to this controller, which has got this tablet running, and this tablet here, which I can view the stream on, has got VideoSoft's encoder running, which gives me the stream here to the display. Now, with this, I can do the usual things, spinny, and I can give myself really good situational awareness of where I'm operating the vehicle. And because this is at a much higher frame rate and at 25 frames a second, it's also pretty much real time. So what I can do then is I can drive the, and in fact, let me just turn it around. I can drive the Scout now using the top video display as a way for me to really see, and it helps if I was a better driver than I am, to really see where that Scout is. And it lets me, hang on, there we go, get in there. You see what I mean? I can see from the overhead view exactly where my Scout is. I can see good situational video from the live camera on the Scout itself, and then that lets me drive this thing quite successfully using the 2 different video streams from 2 different sources at 2 different resolutions and achieve my mission. Really interesting, very clever tech. Wanted to share it with you. Oh, let me go get the car so you can have a look. Okay, check it out. So this is the Scout. It's a remote control car. It's got a Raspberry Pi on the top with a battery, which is pretty neat. And then on the front, we've got this USB webcam, and that's what I've been using to stream video from. Now, my next job, of course, is to improve the Wi-Fi coverage so that this little thing can stream at higher resolutions. I'm going to have a play with that shortly, and if it's much more interesting, I'll let you know. Thank you.